Okay, so this song was absolute garbage, but it made me $320. What's going on, guys? It's ZOPIFY back at you with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about how I made $320 on probably the most garbage song on Spotify. Quick disclaimer, guys, this is obviously not including anything by Cardi B, because we all know Cardi B has the worst music on Spotify. Even my song can't compete with that. If there's any Cardi B fans watching this, I want you to get off this video right now. I do not want any
Cardi B fans
on my video. But other than that, it was probably one of the worst songs on Spotify. It was actually terrible, guys, but I'll just show you what I did to make the song, how I published it, and then I'll actually go into my account and show you the actual money. If you haven't subscribed yet, drop a subscribe below. That's your payment for watching this video. Serious, guys, go do it right now. And then we'll jump into it. So basically, I just went on the App Store and searched music making app, and then scrolled through whatever pulled up until I found one that I liked. I ended up finding this one called Remix Live that I really liked. It was really good. I recommend it, but that's what I made my whole thing on. If you guys want to know what the song actually sounded like, you can actually just go on Spotify and search Trap Goat, and then it'll pull up. It's this first song right here. I'm just kidding, guys. It's so bad. I don't even. To be honest, I have no idea why anyone listened to this. It was actually garbage, but like, I'm not complaining. But I don't know. Whoever was out here thinking this was a banger and listening to this is like actually retarded. I don't even know. So for the most important part, which is making the beat, this is literally all I did. Don't worry, guys. I know you aren't all as amazing at making music as me, but I'll do it real quick in slow motion. All I did, I hit that FX button, did the build up for me, and I just started clicking random buttons and, let my musical talent work itself. No, guys, I'm just kidding. I literally just clicked random buttons and then just recorded the song, and this is how it turned out. So, guys, we have our absolute
banger
of a song, but now we gotta get it out there to our audience. So what did we do? Yup, guys, you guessed it. The only thing that any smart, logical person would do. I ended up finding this one called Amuse Music, and it's honestly probably one of the best apps you could possibly find. You just send them your information and a few things about your song, and they do all the publishing and everything for you. They put it on all platforms. Basically, they carried me through this, and yeah, so if I can do it, you can do it. So after spending a solid probably 5 minutes making this song, I submitted it to them, and then I kind of forgot about it for a month, and then I was like, oh yeah, I put that song on Spotify. So anyway, I came back and I looked at it, and this is what I saw in my Amuse wallet. What? You mean that's not actually what happened? Yes, guys, I have a confession to make. This has actually been over the course of about a year that I've made this much money. But the thing is, it's from one song. It took me 5 minutes to make, and it's passive income. So you make like 10 of these songs, you're making at least $50 per like half year or something. I don't know. You can do the math yourself. It depends on the song, but you get a couple of these songs going, and you're going to be rolling in the dough. Basically, after I got all this money, I just cashed it out to my PayPal account and spent it on a bunch of stupid stuff like a mic for my YouTube channel that I really don't ever use. I usually just use the camera on this iPhone because I think it sounds fine and it's a lot more convenient, and I'm too lazy to set my other one up. Anyway, though, guys, the main point is that you can actually make money from this, and it's a really cool way to make money. And if you want some tips from me, I think one of the main reasons why my song did so good wasn't because people listened to it. Maybe they shared it because they're like, hey dude, this, I don't know how this song is on Spotify. This thing's absolute trash. Listen to this. I don't know if that happened, but I named it Trap Goat. So obviously, I don't know if you see this. Trap Goat. Goat was the name of my guy. Did you really just say guy instead of song? And I feel like people search goat up often. I don't know, it's a fairly popular word. And I guess I was one of the first people to put a song named Goat on there. I don't know why, but I think a lot of people have searched it up. So if you're trying to make some quick dough off of this, I'd say use like a really, let me think of the word.
2,000 years later.
Commonly searched name, and then people will search it up and just get curious and listen to it even if it's not good. And Spotify will play you for the streams, so that's a tip for you guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can we just take a minute to appreciate that amazing wink? Hit me up, ladies. Anyways, guys, that's about it. I don't know what else to tell you. I basically gave you all my information and everything you need to succeed. If you fail now, it's your own fault. Can't help you with that. You suck at life. Just kidding, guys. I appreciate you all. But if you enjoyed the video and watched this long, definitely drop a subscribe and a like down below, and comment. I usually try to answer everyone that comments. So if you want to answer from this guy, then go to the comments down below. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out.